If you've ever dreamed of soaring through the skies with the freedom of a bird, ultralight aircraft bring that vision to life. These lightweight flying machines combine simplicity, innovation, and adventure, offering an exhilarating experience unlike any other. From futuristic designs to powerful yet compact builds, ultralights are redefining personal aviation by blending performance with accessibility. Whether you're a hobbyist pilot, an aviation enthusiast, or simply curious about groundbreaking flying machines, the world of ultralight aircraft is packed with surprises. In this list, we'll explore 15 ultralight aircraft that will truly blow your mind, showcasing models that push the boundaries of speed, efficiency, and design, proof that the future of flight is already here. Icon A5. The Icon A5 is a remarkable amphibious light sport aircraft that seamlessly blends aviation and aquatic adventure. With a sleek carbon fiber airframe, it boasts a wingspan of 34.8 feet and a length of 23 feet, offering both style and functionality. Powered by a 100 horsepower Rotax 912 IS engine, the A5 delivers a cruise speed of 97 miles per hour and a range of 427 nautical miles, making it ideal for weekend getaways. Its retractable landing gear and foldable wings enhance versatility, allowing for easy storage and transport. Designed with safety in mind, it includes an angle of attack indicator and optional whole airframe parachute system. Whether skimming across water or soaring through the skies, the Icon A5 offers an exhilarating flying experience. Kolb Firefly. The Kolb Firefly is a spirited ultralight aircraft that captures the essence of open cockpit flying. Weighing just 254 pounds, it boasts a 40 horsepower Rotax 447 engine, delivering a top speed of 70 miles per hour and a cruising speed around 60 miles per hour. Its 22-foot wingspan provides excellent stability, while the quick folding wings make storage and transport hassle-free. Constructed with a steel tube fuselage and aluminum tail boom, the Firefly is built for durability and ease of maintenance. Pilots appreciate its responsive handling and the joy of flying with minimal instrumentation. For those seeking an affordable and engaging entry into ultralight aviation, the Kolb Firefly stands out as a top choice. Aeroprakt A-22. The Aeroprakt A-22 Foxbat is a versatile Ukrainian ultralight aircraft renowned for its rugged design and exceptional short-field performance. Powered by a Rotax 912 engine, it offers a maximum takeoff weight of 600 kilograms, making it suitable for both recreational flying and flight training. Its high wing configuration and tricycle landing gear provide excellent visibility and stability, while the spacious side-by-side seating enhances pilot and passenger comfort. The A-22's flaperon-equipped wings allow for slow speed handling and short takeoff and landing distances, making it ideal for operations from unprepared airstrips. With over 1,600 units built since its introduction in 1996, the A-22 continues to be a popular choice among ultralight aviation enthusiasts worldwide. Pterodactyl Ascender. The Pterodactyl Ascender is a distinctive ultralight aircraft that blends hang glider heritage with powered flight innovation. Designed by Jack McCormick in 1977, it evolved from the Mantafledge IIB hang glider into a tailless, pusher-configured aircraft. The Ascender is renowned for its unique canard control surface and wingtip stabilizers, offering intuitive handling through weight shift and twist grip rudder inputs. Early models were powered by a 16 horsepower Zenoa engine, while later versions, like the Ascender 2 Plus, featured a 30 horsepower Cuyuna 430 engine, enhancing climb performance and speed. With over 1,300 units built between 1979 and 1984, the Ascender remains a symbol of ultralight aviation's innovative spirit. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike is a groundbreaking ultralight aircraft that reimagines personal flight. Weighing just 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, it boasts a top speed of 102 kilometers per hour, 63 miles per hour, aligning with FAA ultralight regulations. Powered by redundant jet turbines, it offers a flight time of up to 10 minutes and can be refueled in under a minute using diesel, biodiesel, jet A1, or kerosene. Its innovative design features a motorcycle-like riding position, providing a 360-degree unobstructed view. Equipped with a fully redundant flight computer and stabilization system, the Airbike ensures smooth hovering and ease of control. Priced at $880,000, it represents a fusion of futuristic design and advanced aviation technology. BlackWing 635 RG. The BlackWing BW635 IRG is a high-performance ultralight aircraft designed for both recreational flying and flight training. Powered by the turbocharged Rotax 915 IS engine, it delivers 141 horsepower, enabling a climb rate of 2,000 feet per minute and a cruise speed of 343 kilometers per hour, 213 miles per hour. With a wingspan of 8.4 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 600 kilograms, it offers a range of over 500 nautical miles. The aircraft features a sleek carbon fiber airframe, retractable landing gear, and a modern glass cockpit, combining speed, efficiency, and advanced avionics for an exceptional flying experience. Belite Chipper. The Belite Chipper is a versatile ultralight aircraft designed for both recreational flying and backcountry adventures. Weighing approximately 600 pounds, it offers impressive short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities, with takeoff rolls under 400 feet and landing distances as short as 150 feet in light conditions. Powered by engines like the Rotax 912 or Jabiru 3300, it delivers a cruise speed of up to 100 miles per hour and a range exceeding 500 miles. The aircraft features a spacious cabin, CNC machined components, and honeycomb aluminum construction, ensuring both strength and lightweight performance. Its rugged design, combined with large tires and optional tundra configurations, makes it ideal for off-airport operations. Aerolite 103. The Aerolite 103 is a lightweight, single-seat ultralight aircraft designed to comply with FAA Part 103 regulations, requiring no pilot license or medical certification. Weighing approximately 275 pounds, it features a high-wing, pusher configuration and is powered by engines like the 28-horsepower Herth F, 33 or 40 horsepower Rotax 447. Its 26.8 feet wingspan provides excellent stability and lift, while the electric flaps and full instrumentation enhance control and safety. The aircraft is sold as a kit, with assembly taking 60 to 80 hours, making it accessible for aviation enthusiasts seeking an affordable entry into flying. Hummel Ultra Cruiser. The Hummel Ultra Cruiser is a standout in the ultralight aviation world, offering a blend of simplicity, performance, and affordability. Weighing between 249 and 270 pounds, it comfortably meets FAA Part 103 requirements. Powered by a 28 to 45 horsepower engine, it achieves a cruise speed of 63 miles per hour and a stall speed as low as 28 miles per hour. Its 22.5 feet wingspan and GA30-618 airfoil contribute to excellent lift and stability. With a takeoff roll under 150 feet and a landing distance of just 300 feet, it's ideal for short field operations. The aircraft is constructed from sheet aluminum, offering durability and ease of maintenance. Available as a kit or plans, it's accessible for both novice builders and pilots seeking an engaging flying experience. Earthstar Gull 2000. The Earthstar Gull 2000 is a standout ultralight aircraft that combines simplicity, performance, and affordability. Weighing approximately 248 pounds with a 550 pounds maximum takeoff weight, it comfortably meets FAA Part 103 requirements. Powered by engines like the 27 to 40 horsepower Herth F33, it achieves a cruise speed of 63 miles per hour and a stall speed as low as 26 miles per hour, ensuring safe and enjoyable flying. Its 20-foot wingspan and fiberglass construction contribute to its durability and ease of maintenance. The Gull 2000's design emphasizes quick assembly, with kit construction taking around 150 hours. Its affordability and performance make it an excellent choice for aviation enthusiasts seeking an accessible entry into flying. CGS Hawk Arrow II. The CGS Hawk Arrow II is a versatile two-seat ultralight aircraft designed for both recreational flying and flight training. With a 550-pound empty weight and a 1,100-pound gross weight, it offers a balance between agility and payload capacity. Powered by a 65-horsepower engine, it achieves cruise speeds between 55 and 80 miles per hour and boasts a climb rate of 600 to 1,200 feet per minute. The aircraft features a semi-symmetrical airfoil, streamlined aluminum wing struts, and a curved boom tube, enhancing stability and visibility. Its tandem seating arrangement and effective flaps contribute to improved control and comfort during flight. Quicksilver MXL Sport. The Quicksilver MXL II Sport is a two-seat ultralight aircraft renowned for its predictable handling and ease of assembly. With a wingspan of 28 feet and a length of 18 feet 1 inch, it offers a spacious cabin and excellent visibility. Powered by a 50-horsepower Rotax 503 engine, it achieves a cruise speed of approximately 54 miles per hour and a stall speed of 32 miles per hour. The aircraft features double surface wings, conventional 3-axis controls, and a steerable nose wheel, ensuring responsive and stable flight characteristics. Its lightweight design and short takeoff and landing capabilities make it ideal for both training and recreational flying. The MXL-2 Sport's robust construction and user-friendly design have made it a popular choice among aviation enthusiasts. Colomban Cri Cri. The Colomban Cri Cri is a remarkable ultralight aircraft renowned for being the world's smallest twin-engine manned aircraft. Designed by French aeronautical engineer Michel Colomban in the early 1970s, it features a compact design with a wingspan of 4.9 meters and a length of 3.9 meters. Weighing approximately 170 kilograms, 375 pounds, the Cri Cri is powered by two 15-horsepower JPXPUL 212 single-cylinder two-stroke engines, enabling a maximum speed of 220 kilometers per hour, 137 miles per hour, and a cruise speed of around 185 kilometers per hour, 115 miles per hour. Its lightweight construction and tandem seating arrangement contribute to its agility and performance. The Cri Cri's innovative design and impressive capabilities have made it a standout in the world of ultralight aviation. Jordan Lake Airbike L S103. The Jordan Lake Airbike L S103 is a delightful ultralight aircraft that combines simplicity with performance. Weighing between 242 and 248 pounds, it comfortably meets FAA Part 103 regulations. Its Herth F33 engine delivers 28 horsepower, propelling the aircraft to a cruise speed of 55 miles per hour and a stall speed of 28 miles per hour. With a takeoff roll of just 250 feet and a climb rate of 475 feet per minute, it's agile and responsive. The Airbike LS103 is a joy to build, with a construction time of approximately 450 hours. Priced at $9,495 for the complete airframe kit, it's an affordable entry into the world of aviation. e-Spyder. The e-Spyder is a groundbreaking electric ultralight aircraft that offers a unique flying experience. Weighing just 410 pounds, it boasts a 33.1-foot wingspan and a 7.9-foot height. Powered by a 24-kilowatt, 32-horsepower Unic electric motor, it delivers a cruise speed of 45 to 50 miles per hour and a climb rate of 380 feet per minute. With a battery endurance of 60 to 90 minutes and a recharge time of 2 to 3 hours, it's ideal for short recreational flights. Priced under $40,000, the e-Spyder is an affordable entry into electric aviation.